This is MOTOROLA Moto E22, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can enable the Dolby Atmos feature on this device. So it is a very simple thing to do. The Dolby Atmos application is pre-installed. You can access it, well, from the list of apps you have over here. Or you can also, open it from the settings. Either type the Atmos at the search bar or enter the sound category, then go for the dedicated Dolby Atmos section and the same apps get opened. Now once you go into the settings, you have quite a few presets to choose from. By default it is set at Smart Audio, which automatically switch between all the available presets for various purposes, so music, film, game or podcast. Each of the presets you can edit to your liking. As you can see, quite a few preferences to change. The same goes for every single preset. I highly recommend that you set it to be at Smart Audio, since it will basically just automatically recognize which Atmos preset is the most fitting at any given moment, and will activate it and change the Atmos preference. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.